Rework often gets treated as a small, unavoidable issue on the shop floor. But what most businesses don't realize is that rework is one of the biggest hidden drains on profit and delivery performance. Hi, I am Shrikant Prabhudesai. I work with B2B manufacturing businesses to improve delivery, control costs, and eliminate avoidable inefficiencies on the shop floor. When most people think of rework, they usually think only about extra material or labor. But that's just the visible part of the cost. Rework steals machine time that was planned for fresh production. It creates schedule disruptions, forcing teams to reshuffle priorities and miss delivery commitments. That often leads to overtime, expedited purchases, or last minute firefighting, all of which quietly increase costs. Rework also affects morale. Operators get frustrated repeating the same job. Supervisors lose time managing exceptions, and quality teams stay stuck in damage control instead of prevention. None of this shows up as clearly in financial reports, but it slows the entire system. The real solution isn't just better inspection, it's stronger processes. Clear work instructions, proper training, and early quality checks reduce rework far more effectively than fixing defects at the end. So the next time rework feels manageable, pause and look deeper. The biggest cost of rework isn't what you can see, it's the time, cash, and focus it silently steals from your business. Fix the cause, and both margins and delivery improve together.